It's your boy Project Pata. Little Mo Films. You watching the Chitlin Circuit. Y'all know what it is.
Little Mo Films.
You gotta leave it out in the studio, nigga. But on the real, before we move around, nigga, whatever you want to play. Look, hold on. Nigga, that's one thing I told my son, nigga, you gotta leave that shit out in the studio, man. You ain't gonna be fucking 18 and 19 living around this motherfucker, nigga, I'm telling you. But on the real, tell me what to do. On the real though. Where we going? What you want to do?
How to make a nigga want something. Some days dreaming, I'm feeling like I'm on something. Girl, I'm holding on cause right now I feel strong. Try to ruin your life by running game and all your dreams. Your brain teach your game, lead your pain, show you things. On some other seats while blowing green and switching lanes. Girl, stop playing, let me beat it at the frame. Girl, give me that. Girl, give me that.
The Pimp C, what you know? You too young to know something about that. You don't know nothing about that. I'm telling you, but I told my little son, nigga, I say, you can be whatever you want to be, nigga. If you want to do it, let's do the shit. But no matter what beat they play something else. Don't nobody forget, cause I meant that shit. When I said that I'm the realest nigga in this bitch, we up in this bitch, gonna be up in this bitch, a flash out, kill everybody in this. I see y'all think. Oh, they take a picture of that, bitch. I'm telling you. It's history in the making, nigga. I'm telling you, keep going first. It's history in the making. Let's go.
Bulls, I swear to God, I heard them niggas.
You fucking Boosie bad. I swear to God, I heard one of them niggas. Webbie trill. If you know the words of that, tell me right. Help me do this shit. Let's go. Look. I fuck a bitch till she real time. What else? And I ain't fucking with her unless she real fine. What else? I got a lot of money. I ain't got a lot. What else? Baby, on a funny style, nigga gotta die. Why you stick that nut out, bitch, apologize. This real deal, pimp shit, bitch, recognize. A bitch say get us some shows, then I regret. What you say? All you get is a bitch, that circumcised. Booster, that 745. I feel hurt their eyes. You got the AI, so I'ma get that other kind. A motherfucking straight gangster, then who is I? Get out of line, I'm a stank, don't even try. Murder, kill, all in my eyes. Me, I take that beef shit and tenderize it. I got a fucking skeleton pump in my closet. And there ain't no plans to steal it. It's with the body. Look how you won't be. I got that. No, I got that. Hoe, I got that. Roll, I got that. Money, I got that. Car, I got that. Pistol, I got that. Nigga, get shot quick. You heard to me, that beef ain't nothing but a word. You heard I creep and serve. Say swerve and cause your nerve. Fuck you, nigga, I ain't throwing no. And we gon' party. Let's go.
I'm that nigga.
What?
You're fucking right. The real young savage nigga, what is
looking like?
Soft the nigga down on the undercover tripping. Y'all gon' fuck around.
Nigga Webbie about to turn that bitch up, nigga. Only in the Chitlin Circuit.
I told you pussy ass nigga, man, you bitch. What? What? And all these witness, and I'm a sweetest love, but I'm a good start kicking. Nigga, I've been out just getting tipping. What you thinking? This whole I woke up the bed.
Tell up in my shit.
Now in this bitch, hold me all like a bitch. I'ma ride and get a grip and shake a nigga till he stiff. I heard it through the wind, nigga, talk about shit.
What these niggas need? What? You a bitch, nigga. I heard it through the wind, a nigga talk about switching clicks like Trent Swift dicks. You ain't shit to a bitch. Come on there, Ron.
Yeah.
All my days was in this motherfucker. Come on, help me do this shit. Come on. If you know this motherfucker, read this shit word for word.
Tell me what you know about me.
Webbie.
AKA Trill ENT, young SAVAGE, nigga. In the street, that's where I be, that's where I'm at, cuz. That's where I was way before this fucking rap, cuz. Tryna loud cap
Trump behind the speaker. I pack gas like them old school people. Bitch, you got that work, but you working with them people. Yeah, talking shit like a hoe about me. So like a man, I'ma murk you when I see you. Catch your bitch on that cell phone, shoot up on no eater. You ain't stupid, you got ill, bitch. No, for real. I get that chainsaw, let you feel this pain. Slide your ass all the way down. What they want TSU? Hold up. They represent the way at the top. It's up though. I told my son though, tell all the kids to stay in school, but I got my son finna drop some shit. He say he wanna rap. I say, but when you rap, nigga, if you gonna do that shit every time a fucking beat come on, you gotta rip that bitch. No matter what, come on, rap some shit. How she do that shit? No matter what, come on, nigga, you gotta go. How she do that shit? How that shit go? Let me see that shit. How that shit go? Like Beyonce, like Trina, like a big booty ass, like diva, like a stripper. What? Popping down like flipper. Bend over, let me see it from the back. Double shots of Hennessy, let it get your groovy. Gon' work your ass, do your thing, I'ma do me. How to switch the doors in the switcher, got a room key. Act like you audition for a video or movie. Bitch, towards the floor, I want your hands where your toes be. I'ma squeeze out on your booty, all nasty. Nothing made 18, girl, I'm legal, you could arrest me. Hands in a beam, I can't seem to find a bad beat. A big fat ass like Trina, make me ass. Hit it, shake thighs, shake, vibrate, watch she dancing. Like to shake her ass like Sierra, real fancy. I want to catch Sierra, shake that ass on his 9-piece. Bitch, shake the pinky, shake that ass real fancy. I'm ready for the real, but she be acting real heavy. You see me, I'm picky, I rate that ass. I gotta act 50, I never could shake that ass. Like what? Like a big booty. Oh man, don't get me started, but on the real. Shout out to all the kids, man. I think it's best y'all stay in school. You can be whatever you want to be. You got to keep God first. And shit, I think everything else gonna work. But I told them no matter what beat they put on, compressor shit. Let's go. I said no matter what they put on, nigga, you better rip that bitch. Girl, give me that. Let's go. How that shit go? How that shit go? Look, look, look. If you got to buy your pussy, put your hands up. If you keep your pussy clean, put your hands up. If you a bad ass bitch, put your hands up. What she get? What she get? What she get? You know you want it, girl. Don't act like you don't want it, girl. I want it just as bad as you do. Hey, look, see, I can tell from this good vibe you got me feeling that you dig me, boo. I'm digging you too. You wanna be one of the chosen few? Then go and dig up in this motherfucker. Maybe me and you can do it bigger. Let's swerve. Sing that shit. You ain't never had shit, yeah. Swerve on all your daddy in the pen, yeah. Swerve on making bad on that chin, yeah. Swerve on hit his pocket at the kid. Fucking nigga, swerve on him. You ain't never heard of him. Oh man, I'm gonna have to bring that nigga beat through this bitch. I'm gonna have to bring the beat through this bitch so we can get all the way crunk up in this bitch. On the real though, what you wanna do? What you wanna do? I go out and rock some shit.
I got a fully automatic super now, that's 100. You already know the story. Some of the niggas owe me money. I came out here, got on, now my homies acting funny. I left them niggas alone cause I felt the jack was funny. When I shoot up to Atlanta, I be rolling down the script. Baby on me like I'm tip. I chill and I dip. Up above to the club in Manhattan, see what's cracking. Girls are dick me like I'm facing I'm jigger. I'm laughing. Whoop bad rules, yeah, that big rag, we be stacking, we be packing them big Rubers, put you losers on the plot. Make some move up to St. Louis, then get nearly out the telly, rolling dice about the better, bet thousands on the 7. I'm telling you, on the real, we're gonna get up out of here. But shit, Ron, give me one more.
Little more fingers.